Hey everybody, Charlene with Roadrunners, and today we're in Evergreen, Alabama, which is not too far from home. But we're here at the Conecuh sausage store, which is the only place to go for sausage in the state of Alabama. So we're going to go inside, give it a try, and see how it is, which I'm sure it will be lovely. Hope everybody's having a fun Saturday. Here we have all the goodies they have here, all the Conecuh sausage. And we also have these lovely Dean cakes, which are, again, something very unique to Alabama. Dean's cakes in Andalusia, Alabama. And I see some that might have to go home with me because I haven't seen a butternut cake for a lot of years. My grandmother used to make them. So, come up here and find all the casseroles and all kinds of fun stuff. And turkeys. So, it's a neat little place. This is quite a gift shop. As you can see over here, all kinds of stuff. Everybody's here doing their thing on a Saturday.
Tomorrow we're going to stop by.
Here we are having a Conecuh dog and a piece of butternut cake. Conecuh sausage.
Oh, okay.
This is Conecuh sausage store in Evergreen, Alabama, where we just had some lunch. Lots of stuff to buy, and of course, this is where you get the dogs, which are really yummy. But they cook them up, get what you want, get your relish, get your drinks, really yummy stuff. And over here, you can get slices of the Dean cakes. There's all kinds down here. Yum, yum. I'll show you a little bit of other store over here. And lots of souvenirs and tea towels and stuff to make food with. So, fun day in Evergreen. So if you're in Evergreen, Alabama, be sure to stop by the Conecuh Sausage Factory, because our store, well, there's a sausage factory outside too, behind us, but it's pretty nifty. Come and check them out.